Imagine writing an email or report in seconds. Sounds impossible? Today, we'll explore how ChatGPT can make this a reality. In a fast-paced world, efficient communication is key. Emails and reports often consume our time. ChatGPT is an AI language model designed to assist you. It can generate professional emails, reports, and summaries quickly. This means more time for activities you love. Let's break down how to use ChatGPT effectively. First, identify your main topic. Clearly state what you're emailing about. Then, provide any key details. This sets a strong foundation for your request. Next, access ChatGPT and input your topic. Be clear and concise. For instance, say, draft an email to my team about the project update. Once submitted, ChatGPT will instantly generate content. Review and tweak as necessary. Make sure it reflects your voice and intent. You can specify structure for reports, like sections or bullet points. ChatGPT's suggestions will save you hours combined over time. Imagine how many emails or reports you can produce. Let's consider a practical example. You need to send a follow-up email. Instead of spending 20 minutes, you input, email follow-up on our last meeting. ChatGPT generates it in seconds. You simply review, add any personal touch, and send. In summary, ChatGPT transforms your writing process. With clear topics, concise requests, and quick reviews, effective communication is at your fingertips. Start integrating ChatGPT into your daily tasks. Unlock the potential of faster writing today. In the next video we will discuss about brainstorming and idea generation. Stay connected with us. Thank you.